How to turn off glow effect in Devil May Cry Peak of Combat. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are playing Devil May Cry Peak of Combat and want to remove the glow effect from the game's graphic, firstly open the Devil May Cry Peak of Combat game on your device. Once you're inside the game, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the gear button. And once you do that, you'll open the settings menu. Now, go to graphics on the left and inside graphics, scroll down and look for the glow option. Set the glow to off, and once you do that, you can return back to your game. Click on confirm to save your changes. If you haven't yet, don't forget to save the changes so that the effect will be applied. And once you do that, you'll be able to turn off the glow effect in the game. So that's how you easily do it. You can now enjoy a cleaner looking display. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.